What is going on, guys? GregglesTV. Do you want to know what's going to come in the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus box? Well, after doing a little bit of research on Samsung's website, they actually lay it out for you directly. Let's take a look. So inside the box, you'll obviously get the Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus, depending upon what you got. You'll also get a USB cable, which would be a USB Type-C cable at that. You'll get wired headphones, so wired earphones in there, that'd be really nice. Ejection pin to pop out your SIM card if you need to. A USB power adapter, so a brick basically that you'll plug into the wall. A quick start guide on how to use the phone. A USB connector, USB Type-C, so if you want to transfer data between two phones, you can do that. Also a micro USB connector if you have an older phone that has micro USB, and a USB connector leaflet showing you how to use those USB connectors. So this is obviously not an official unboxing, but if you were curious what was going to come in if you bought the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, there you go right there. That is officially from Samsung's website. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. Throw the question out to you guys. What were you expecting to be in the box? Or what's missing, do you think? Thanks for watching. Peace.